Oh, in the evening. Okay. Okay.
Ugo.
Ugo. What is it? What is it? Seriously, is excited.
I can't wait to write my final papers. Hey, get a job and start earning a salary. Guess what? I will buy you a phone.
You buy me, but I have a phone now.
Because what is this palasa? Hey. I will get you a big phone. Those types people use with their fingers.
Okay, they touch.
Exactly. That's what I'll buy you. That's the first gift for you. And I will buy you new shoes. I will. I'm ready to spoil. Happen can spoil me again. And I will.
And what else do you want to do for me? Calm down. Relax. Relax. You have already made me proud. See how far you have come.
I will.
We're almost at the finish line. You know what you're going to do for me? Write your final exams. And I'm okay.
I will make you proud.
That's the only gift I want from you.
I will make you proud. I will. And I will make you happy.
Thank you.
What's something?
Okay, what is it? What do you want? Do you want something?
My body is doing me somehow.
I can tell now. See the way you're all over me.
My body yearns for you. Since you met me, we haven't even shared a bed. You haven't kissed me. You've done everything for me without a kiss. I doubt if men like you still exist. I know me we go now. It's beginning to worry me.
Okay. Come on, sit. Open.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.